Every rare luxury fragrance begins with an origin few ever witness.
Steady now. Aligning to pod. Latching complete.
The journey to refinement starts long before the fragrance is born. Inside these walls, rarity is transformed into desire. Refinement starts by separating purity from every trace of origin. Only the purest fraction is worthy of the luxury formula ahead. Here, rarity meets artistry in controlled industrial harmony.
Time and motion deepen the signature of true exclusivity.
Clarity transforms the blend into a fragrance worthy of prestige. Once refined, the fragrance moves deeper into the architecture of luxury. Stability preserves the signature before presentation begins. The final notes are measured in droplets, but remembered for years.
Motion completes the harmony between depth, warmth, and clarity.
Cooling locks brilliance into the liquid's final character. Identity must be as exact as the formula inside. Presentation begins where precision meets ritual. The seal is where luxury first meets trust. Perfection must remain visible from every angle. Ownership begins with the first carefully designed reveal. Now the fragrance moves from protected refinement toward global presentation.
Beyond the emblem, the factory itself becomes a monument to precision.
Every movement outside the line remains part of the same uninterrupted flow. Even after boxing, the product continues through deeper layers of refinement. Trust is sealed into the exterior before the first unboxing ever happens. Prestige is often defined by the perfection of the smallest visible detail. Packaging evolves into an experience of anticipation. Geometry gives elegance its sense of permanence. The surrounding details amplify the value of the fragrance itself. Signature pieces transform a product into a collectible memory. Before scale begins, perfection is verified once more. The next stage prepares luxury for flawless mass presentation.
Phase 3 is stable, ready for the next step.
Affirmative.
All my chicks green. Wave and Shitomi. Continue to phase 4.
Confirmed. Proceed.
Before final scaling, every visible surface returns to absolute control. At this level, even invisible particles are treated as defects. Sequence and order begin long before the final reveal. Pressure turns protection into permanence. Now the product enters the stage where exclusivity becomes scale. The next stage transforms presentation into industrial volume. Here, individual prestige becomes coordinated luxury volume. Structure gives collectible luxury its commanding presence. The first touchpoint of ownership begins with balance and strength. Hardware must feel ceremonial because its tolerances are exact. Every opening must communicate engineered confidence. Luxury is judged equally by the hidden interior experience. Identity is permanently embedded into every collector release. The surface must hold light like a symbol of prestige. Beauty survives only when balance remains exact. True luxury must endure proof before it earns presentation. Precision craftsmanship now hands control to the art of desirability. Beyond construction, the product now enters its final form of desirability. Form is preserved so the experience remains flawless at first touch. Luxury includes every detail that surrounds the fragrance itself. Prestige depends on total continuity from formula to presentation.
Even the surrounding air becomes part of the ownership ritual.
Preservation is the unseen promise behind collectible luxury. Presentation begins with how the object rests before reveal. Every pristine surface is shielded before it reaches the collector. The finish must satisfy the eye from every possible angle. Packaging transforms ownership into an unforgettable ritual. Now the finished collectible joins the intelligence layer of distribution. At this stage, luxury becomes data-driven precision. Intelligence now decides the exact path of every product. Every movement is calculated to preserve perfection. Identity is no longer printed, it is embedded in motion. Distribution becomes a living system of controlled movement. Elevation ensures maximum space efficiency without compromise. Order transforms into global readiness. Protection becomes the final layer before departure. Nothing leaves the system without absolute confirmation. Precision extends from production to global delivery. Security ensures luxury remains uncompromised across borders. Before departure, every variable is verified once more. The product now enters the global journey of luxury.